any situation, it's important to know that there are things that we can control and things that we cannot control. And by the same token, we have the ability to respond by taking action or to not take action. When we choose to take action over things that we can control, like making time to go to the gym when we've committed to doing so at the start of this new year, we find ourselves in the box of fulfillment. When we choose not to take action over things that we can control, like procrastinating studying for a test, we find ourselves in the box of anxiety or avoidance. When we choose to take action over things that we cannot control, like trying to change another person's attitude or behavior, we find ourselves in the box of frustration. When we choose not to take action over things that we cannot control, we find ourselves in the box of acceptance, bringing us inner peace.